How to increase the virtual RAM on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's increase our PC's performance and make our laptop faster by helping to increase the virtual RAM. So first of all, click on the search bar and type in advanced. This way you can open the advanced settings of the system. After that, tap on advanced and then click on performance and settings. Do not make any changes here and click on advanced again. Hereby, click on the change button which is under virtual memory. Hereby, untick the option of automatically manage the paging. Once that is done, click on custom size. Now let's calculate the initial size or MB. For that, you can calculate accordingly. For a 8GB RAM, you can calculate as 8 into 1024 into 1.5, which is the standard. Once that is done, you will receive a number. You can keep the initial size or MB as given below. Similarly, for the maximum size, you need to calculate 3 times of your RAM. For that, you can calculate 8 into 1024 into 3. This way, you will receive the maximum size as well. Once you have done so, you can click on OK and then into Apply. After this, you will notice that you have increased the virtual RAM on your Windows. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.